jaca.
Construction game.
Hello children! Today the construction set we're putting together is a fire truck.
Hooray! A fire truck!
We'll begin with the frame, and on it we'll attach the rest of the parts. On the front bumper, we'll put 2 loudspeakers. Of course, our vehicle will not go anywhere without wheels. Let's put on the wheels. In front of the frame, we'll put seats for the driver and the crew. We'll also put a dashboard. Now we need the body. On its sides, there are different devices with valves. Embedded inside the body are a foam tank, a water tank, and a pump. And this is a crew cab. We'll attach the cab and the body to the frame. Now we will attach the grab handles to help firemen get into the cab and quickly arrive at the fire site.
Wow, a flasher!
More precisely, this is a light bar. And these are sirens. Behind the cab, we attached the deluge gun, or water cannon. Now we need to put together the tower ladder. At the base of the ladder, there is a control panel. The extending part of the ladder is called a telescopic boom. On the end of the boom hangs the bucket. All the important tools are held in the special storage compartments of the fire truck. Which tools do the firefighters need? Fire extinguishers for putting out small fires. An axe to break through doors and windows. A crowbar for breaking door locks to save people quicker. A shovel. And buckets to put the fire out with water or sand. And another compartment will put the fire hoses. And in this one, the fire hose reel. We'll also need pipe junction so we can use several fire hoses at once. We'll close the compartments with roller shutters. On the roof, we'll put up a handrail for safety. Just a few more details, the outriggers.
The fire truck is ready!
fire truck. And here's the first emergency call. Shall we go? Oh no! We have run out of water and the fire is still going. No worries. The fire hoses and a fire hydrant will help us. A hydrant always has water as it's connected to underground water pipes. Hooray! Our mission is complete. The fire is out. We can return to the fire station.
I will never play with fire again, I promise. And you children, don't play with fire.
Now choose another cartoon to watch.